Hi, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Just wanted to pop in here to let you know I've had an amazing Monday. I'm about to sign off online and have a little rest because I've been up and at it since 6 a.m. this morning, actually putting out information and lots of great stuff for you all. So, just sharing this across to everybody, including some interviews, and we've got 20 interviews this week, but only 13 more days for you to be able to consolidate a booking for the Art of Listening podcast and interview series that I'm actually doing. It's gone great guns, and I've spoken to and got to connect with some amazing people, some of which I've known, others are brand new to me, and more to come, both in both camps. So, should you want to get on that series, it's got a hard stop fast last day of Monday, the 27th of January, and I won't be doing any more interviews. However, the following week, I'm doing my very, very popular masterclass, which is called not the art of listening, but the art of sales, which, as it turns out, has a lot of familiarity with the art of listening. So, should you want to be on board that, I'm actually going to put a call out on Facebook, right across, also on my LinkedIn, and I'll put it in the show notes, also on our Art of Listening podcast, so that you can actually hop on that free masterclass. And I'm going to run that Monday, the 3rd of February at 8 a.m. Melbourne time. So if you are in the Northern Hemisphere, it'll come in on your Sunday Arvo or your Sunday evening, somewhere in there. And I'm really looking forward to that, because as I'm rolling out these 50 interviews of the art of listening, I am actually finding that the key to the best business is actually, in fact, that it's the art of listening, the art of sales, is the art of listening, is the art of communication and connection and trust. So it's been really interesting, actually. So I've gone right back and I'm redoing all of my art of listening, my art of sales components of my online programs to bring you a free masterclass on that day. So should you want to be on board, I'll put a little link below. I'll make it a gorgeous event, so it's easily gotten to, and I look forward to seeing you on that. So I'm going to get off here now, only to say I've had a number of people say massive big thank yous for being involved in the art of listening. I say thank you for being and showing what you are and what you have, whether it's a passion, a mission, an organization, a non-for-profit, a business. It's been a pleasure to interview you. Everyone's found it amazing. You can find it on my YouTube channel, which is just Linda J. Morrison. Anyway, I can pop it below. Just look through the feed, and definitely get onto me on LinkedIn, because it's all over there as well. So, should you want to be interviewed, there's only 13 days remain. 13 days till I wrap it up, and I won't be doing interviews on the weekend because I'm already booked up across the next 2 weekends. So I look forward to seeing you on there, and definitely reach out to me. The fastest way is to get into a DM and I find you a time and we go from there. Let's keep it simple. We don't need 100 million conversations. We can just really get onto it. And I can see what you're all about on your socials. You can also send me your bio. But I will be doing a hard stop on that 27th of January, because the whole thing's just gone crazy. Now, should you want to be involved in my book collab based on the art of listening, please let me know. Okay, look forward to it, and look forward to seeing you on my masterclass, The Art of Sales, which is something I've been teaching for about 12 years. Yeah, so that's kind of fun too. So I'm bringing that all pulled together in a nice little package for a masterclass, which will go for around about 50 minutes on Monday, the 3rd of February, 8 a.m. Melbourne time. So I look forward to seeing you on that. And please let us know on DM if you want to be alerted to that. But I'm going to create an event here really soon. All right, team. I've had enough for today. I've had enough digital. It's been a lot going on here in our summer, and it's ramping up hot again. You know, well into the 30s once again. I don't know what you call hot from where you guys come from. Spoke to my girlfriend in the UK today. It was -5, so 31 is definitely hot. So I look forward to seeing you on all of those events, and special love and special wishes to those who are in my friends in LA, and those I do and don't know, and those that I've met across the decades. Much, much love. Talk soon. Bye, everyone.